you are having cough, sudden cough, bouts of cough, or you are having chronic cough and it is not getting relieved with any medication. So how to relieve that? Below the base of the thumb, this is the bone here. So here is the white skin, here is the red skin. In between, this is the whole bone. Come in the center and press your nail here. Press with the nail deep inside. You will feel pain, little pain here. So this is good to relieve the cough. Along with this, you can tap the center of the sternum here, this way. This is also good for the lungs. So this will relieve your cough.